Today's practical is earth inductor. Aim to determine horizontal component BH and vertical component BV and angle of dip theta using earth inductor. Earth inductor, it is shown here coil, BZ ballistic galvanometer, lamp and scale arrangement on which we can have the deflecting spot, resistance boxes like this and this, standard solenoid coils, standard solenoid coil, this is, it is its primary, it is its secondary. Then false commutator, it is shown here, this is the false commutator, or you mean to say in simple words as a 6-way key. Then source rheostat, it is shown here. Plug keys, it is here, this K1. DC ammeter means it is the DC current meter, and mercury, that is in order to fill into this false commutator key. Now it is our circuit diagram. It is ballistic galvanometer as usual having tap key. Our resistance box is connected to this inductor coil is having two terminals 1 and 2. BZ is connected to the first terminal of earth inductor coil through this resistor R. The second terminal of earth inductor coil is connected to the secondary of this solenoid. Next one. First wire of the BZ is connected to again this secondary. Now to the primary, we have to connect two terminals of this false commutator key directly to the primary of the coil of this big solenoid. Remaining two terminals of the false commutator connected, one is connected to the positive terminal of the DC supply and second one is connected to the variable terminal of the rheostat. One fixed terminal of the rheostat is connected to the DC ammeter. DC ammeter is connected to the battery cell negative terminal through this one-way key. It is all about circuit diagram for earth inductor in order to find out earth's horizontal component, vertical component as well as angle of dip theta. Now for that, these are the interpretations, these are the required values, these are the corresponding formulae and so on. For BH, it is equal to 4 pi NP NSA upon 10 NL into 10 by d theta h. For BV, it is 1. For theta, tan inverse of BV by BH. Once you have to calculated this BH, this BV, then their ratio with tan inverse is nothing but angle of dip theta. Now its interpretation is given in throughout this page. What is BV? Earth's horizontal component. Horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field, vertical component of Earth's magnetic field, angle of dip, NP, number of turns of the primary coil from the solenoid, NS, total number of turns of the secondary coil, A, area of cross section of the solenoid, L, length of the solenoid, A, area of earth inductor coil, G, the steady deflection of the galvanometer with shown on the scale. Now theta h, deflection of galvanometer with when the position of the earth inductor coil is horizontal, theta v, deflection of the galvanometer with V is vertical, and N, total number of turns of the earth inductor coil, that is NP 1000, NS 250, diameter of solenoid this, ratio, radius is 1 by 2, area, inner radius of earth inductor coil, outer radius of the earth inductor coil, then mean radius, area of cross section since it is circular by the formula of area of circle as pi r square, N 1000, length of the solenoid L is equal to 96.5 centimeter. This N, that is the total number of turns of the earth inductor coil, and these are the solenoid, it is the number of turns of primary of the solenoid, and these are the number of turns of the secondary of the solenoid. It is the difference between these two, you should note this carefully. Now first, for the determination of theta h, how one can determine theta h as a deflection of galvanometer with when the position of the earth inductor coil is horizontal. For that we have to proceed further as theta h, mean theta h, it will be equal to this. You have to take at least 5 trials and then take out its mean. How to take the trials? It is explained here. Hold the earth inductor coil such that its plane is vertical and normal to the magnetic meridian. suddenly rotate the coil and note down the corresponding deflection for theta h. It comes out to be this one. Now for second quantity, as determination of theta v, hold the plane of the coil, earth inductor coil, parallel or horizontal with the axis of the coil parallel to the magnetic meridian, rotate the coil through 180 degree and obtain the throw on the scale. It comes out to be this. Here also you have to take the 5 trials and take its mean. It comes out to be this. Once you know the values of theta h and theta v, we move further for the calibration of galvanometer. Now, it is the third observation table, current in ampere, deflection through for LHS RHS, and we have to take its mean. When with the help of, again I am going towards the circuit diagram. With the help of this variable terminal of the resistance, we have to vary the current in the current meter, this DC ammeter for 0.1, 0.2, 0.4 and so on, and we have to measure the corresponding deflection. When the current in the ammeter with the help of rheostat as 0.2, we should take the LHS reading and it is equal to this, then RHS, then take out mean. Again you should vary this with the help of rheostat, increase the current, we will able to have the increased deflection throw on this. Then so on. Again we are measuring here the 5 trials for 5 different currents. We are noting LHS 5 readings, RHS 5 readings, and finally we are taking their mean through D centimeter. When with the help of this variable terminal, we are varying the current in the current meter, and the position of this force commutator is towards LHS. Note down the reading, then rotate it towards RHS, then note down the readings. With the help of this procedure, it will be completed. Now BH, as we are known all values above, only we have to substitute on the formula and we have to calculate BH and BV. Then angle of dip theta as tan inverse of BV by BH. BV and BH. These Earth's horizontal and vertical components are measured in terms of the units oersted, and the angle of dip, obviously it is measured in terms of degree. Now our final result will be horizontal component of Earth's magnetic field BH is equal to 0.65 oersted, whereas the vertical component of Earth's magnetic field BV will be 0.14 oersted and angle of dip theta equal to 80 degree. For that also we are plotting the graph of I versus D, that is the current versus deflection D. Thus,